So out here in a job in Barangaroo, and I just wanted to show you the absolute worst MDF frame for testing possible. Really haven't come across these very often, but you can see maybe at the back here, right, that's where the 20 pair would terminate in there, and then from here they run their jumpers out. But the problem you've got, if you've got a scenario like this and you want to test, you've got to get in behind here to actually do the testing on, on those cables, right? So what we had here today is a customer who had everything was working for him, right? All of a sudden it's dropped out, and apparently this building is renowned for it. So if you're dragging an F-set, say in one of these, like here, you've got to get up the back there. And imagine how easy it is to knock those out, right? If you're dragging an F-set here, and you can see there's everywhere, there's like pairs that are just sort of been disconnected, and it's just an absolute nightmare, this thing. So I've been here 2 hours trying to get this customer working, but what's happened, somebody stole his pairs. Apparently that's what happens here a lot. People just can't work it out, so they'll just find a pair, steal it from an IDF up on, whatever floor. He was on the 3rd floor, and then it runs down to a toilet, right? And there's a cabinet in a toilet, and then there's another board that's like this, just like a mess, absolute mess. So just to identify pairs and to try and get a tone on these things, you had to go into the back of it, right? But then you can easily just knock out cables, and that's what I think happens here all the time. And then techs, instead of tracing it out and working out what's going on, they're just popping the pairs off somebody else, stealing them, which is what I found they'd done here. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you this worst MDF frame ever. All right, so here's the other one, communications area. Door's not even locked, right? And then you can see it's just this, these messy frames again. And this is where they disconnected him. Here, his cable was just basically swinging in the breeze. And that is their IDF. Take a look at that. How is that? Anyway, these are the worst frames I've ever had to do testing on. Hopefully I never have to come across them again. And if you need to upgrade them, don't even bother calling me. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Telecom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up, like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.